Hi, Sharon here from Nips Nature. Just doing a little video on my Altoids survival fishing tin here. Nothing too spectacular or anything. First off, on the inside I have a couple of lures here. Just have those taped to the top there. And I have a couple of leaders, a couple of little bobbers, a few little plastic worms. I use bobbins for my line. I have some 8-pound monofit on one, and I think it's 20-pound braided I have on the other one. It's what I had at the time, so it's what I used. A couple bigger worms there. And I have an assortment of hooks in here. They're all small hooks. You can catch anything on a little hook, but if you have big hooks, you can only catch big fish. So, then I have a little assortment of weights and swivels and things. I also like to carry a couple of razor blades. They're good for all kinds of things. Cleaning fish if I have nothing else, cutting line or whatever. All kinds of things they're good for. And then I have these little eyelet hooks. I like these to put on a stick sometimes. It makes the stick feel more like a normal fishing rod, so I kind of like that. So that's pretty much what I have in my kit here. Like I said, nothing too exciting, but it gets the job done. I've used it a few times, and I've actually caught quite a few little panfish on it. Enough, certainly, that I would never starve out there if I was in that situation. So it's a fun little kit to use. Well, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed my little fish tin video here. Talk to you again.